Good morning, class 11. Today we will start with the third chapter, that is heredity and environment. Still now we have discussed the aim of education, what are the derivative meaning of education, and what are the characteristics of education, why education is important, and all that. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is heredity and environment. Now before going to the questions and before going to the discussion, we must know what is basically heredity and environment. Heredity, the word, it means that some characteristic features, some physical and some mental features which a baby used to get from its parents or ancestors. So it is a sum total of some biological characteristic or genetic characteristics, and some are mental or physical characteristics. Now in this chapter we will discuss 3 to 4 things. What is heredity, and the psychologists or the educationists who are in the support of hereditary factors, uh, what they are telling and what type of experiments they have done on this. And again, the environmentalists, those who are in support of environmental factors, they will say what is environment and why they are in support of environment. Now this chapter, educant means the student, means you, is a product of both heredity and environment. So at the end of the chapter we will see that not only heredity and neither heredity nor environment is the only and one factor which is influencing an individual. At the end of the chapter, we will see that educant is a sum total of heredity and the environment. It's a product of heredity and environment. So, first we will go through that why some are telling that it is more or less hereditary factors which influence an individual, and it also influences for his future. Now see, the word heredity, it describes some characteristics feature, as I have told you, which are by born or by birth the baby is getting. Now the skin color, now eye color, the color of the pupil, and the normal looks, these all are the external features what we receive from our ancestors. So if we define the word, now first we will discuss that what is heredity, and next we will discuss the experiments, and then we will go to the next part, that is the environment. Now here Stone, an eminent psychologist, is saying that heredity is the sum total of all the physical and mental characteristics received by the individual from his ancestors at birth. So as I have told you that you will get this definition in your book as well as in PDF. So it is telling that the eminent psychologist Stone, he is telling that it is a sum total of some physical and mental characteristics, and uh, these all are they are receiving by birth, by when they are born, the baby is born. Now see, every individual is carrying some inner potentialities or inner capacities which are hidden dormant in the mind of an individual. So now education, and with the help of education, the quality which is hidden inside the individual will be explored, and that is why the supporter of the hereditary factors, they are telling that as the features and the potentialities and the capacities are hidden, already hidden inside, that what you have, what you will be, or what is your future, that is pre-decided. As the features what they will be, they are carrying it by their birth. So the supporter of the hereditary factors, they are telling that they have done many experiments that we will see in the next part. We will mention everything, that one eminent psychologist, he has taken near about 1000 people of a family, his ancestors. Some of them are already dead and some of them are still alive, and they have seen that the family which are having a good hereditary factors, a good means a good career according to their hereditary, they are having a good curriculum academy, or they are having a good academic life and career life. Again, some of the educationists, those who have means experimented on the particular topic, they are telling that in a family, if there are many people, those who are singers, those who are dancers, those who can recite well, those who are good in literature, in their family, the students are becoming good teachers, they are becoming good dancers or good singers, their child and their grandchild, they are getting the features of the individual. So that we will see in the next part of the chapter. Now, heredity means the inborn capacity which are they are receiving through their ancestors or through their parents. So it's a sum total of some physical and mental characteristics received by the individual from the ancestors at birth. So when they are born, these features or these qualities are hidden inside. So the supporter are telling that the features are already within the individual. There's nothing, there's no communication with the environment or no connection with the environment, because the talent or the capacity which the child is having, it is inside his or her mind. So here in the next class we will discuss the experiments and the points which are being discussed in favor of hereditary factors. Thank you.